feels. I don't know. I don't know. Not sure.
Invite.
Well, give it a few seconds. Okay. I guess it was.
Cheska! Cheska, were you?
Bakit horror?
Kasi sa horror ang masaya. Ah, shit, mali. Ayaw mo na sa in ko?
Oh. I missed it.
Hey.
What is... Ah, my god. What is this?
Find a way. Asan kayo?
I'm in my room.
Hindi ka ba? Room sana all.
I'm in my room.
Oh, hi.
I'm not in my room.
Have to view objectives. Find a way to escape. Oh, that's your. Sorry.
What the fuck?
Oh, nag-start up pala. Di na naman sinabi. Kita ako dito.
Okay, flashlight.
I wasn't ready.
Wala, nagbabasa ng Bible si Les.
Yung demonyo nagbabasa ng Bible.
Wait, bakit hala? What do you mean? Is that a bad thing?
Oh. Where were you at the night of 11?
I was loading my shot.
Sana all. Shut.
Oh, yung ilaw. Ah! Ay!
Yun. What was that?
Hey?
Hey, get out!
What the fuck happened?
I'm fine. Don't worry about it. Hello?
He read something dun. Ah, wait, di pala. At the crossroads.
Oh, lumabas na kayo? Bro.
Oo. Ano si Cheska?
Let's go.
Saan kayo?
Dito. Labas.
Wala akong takbo.
Meron.
Yeah, meron na.
Ito.
At the crossroads. Where do we go? Oh, may something dun.
Oh, crossroad. Left is close. A
Car. Walang engine.
How do you get out? Ako walang engine. Bro.
Walang engine. Tara. Lapit na dating engine.
It's close, isn't it?
Oh, there's something. The door. Behind the tree. Behind the tree. There's something behind the tree.
Hindi ko makita. Laya.
No, there was something there. I swear to God.
battery yung flashlight.
Yep.
Bruh.
May lamppost naman.
Cheska, nawala si Cheska.
Another one.
Cheska, where are you?
Secret of chambers.
Nakotse ka ba? Nakotse ka nga. Doon ka mag-stay muna dyan. Les, saan
Kaya pa
ka?
ako dito.
Les, saan ka?
I went straight.
Oh, yun. At the crossroads. Medyo.
Nakasarado yun yung camp. Ay, hindi. Yung left. Ay. Oh, we're turning left this time.
Oh, the keys.
We found the keys.
Wow.
A shotgun. Oh. I grabbed the shotgun ammo.
Oh,
May shotgun ako.
I don't know how to drop it. G.
usually. Yeah.
Doesn't work.
S, R,
Or
Q, E.
here works.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, there's a shotgun here.
Oh,
Nice.
wait a minute.
And fuse. My inventory is full.
That-
I'm gonna
that's
go
the
back to the
same with the box.
garage.
Alright.
Are you in the woods?
No.
Going back to the garage.
I mean,
Legit? May nakita akong naglalakad kanina.
I'm in a cave.
I'm telling you, I wasn't crazy. I don't know if this is the right door. We can also go to the other garage area.
Should probably stick together then.
No. We should split to cover more grounds.
Wow.
Drop these. To the other
Okay lang.
garage.
Meron dun na.
Let's turn around if that's you. Okay.
Okay. Meron
Just
Oh,
dun.
wood.
May tunnel dun. Napuntahan mo na.
Oh no, we're going back to the garage because I have keys.
Yeah, but we don't
I also have fuse.
But we don't have.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I'm seeing someone there.
Jessica.
It's not.
Ay,
Hindi.
Yun nga.
Red eyes.
Mata ko nasa kotse ako eh.
Hey man. Do you know our friend Jesus
Ay,
Christ?
ay.
He doesn't
That's
wanna
fine.
know who Jesus Christ is.
Oh,
Oh, he
Yeah. Walang engine din.
oh, another fuse.
I'm hurt. I'm hurt.
Another fuse. Fuel. Fuse. And
Engine sa taas. Oh.
Ay. So, may kalaban.
Fuse box.
fuse box.
Diyan ko
Where?
nasa diyan ko nasa pintuan.
Find the fuse box.
Sigaw kapag
Probably
may
sa
nakita ka.
likod.
Yeah, grab yung mga fuse. May nasa
Wait,
cabinet
wait,
and nasa
ano
right
yun?
side.
Hoy!
Ayun.
Punta sa akin! Punta
Shotgun
sa
ammo.
akin!
Oh, nice.
Punta sa akin yung kalaban!
Ay, nasisira ni
Legit?
pintuan.
Oh, another fuse box.
Oh yeah, I think
Ay,
alis ka na dyan. Sama ko sa amin.
Rain.
Yep,
Let's go.
it's good.
Namumula pala nakikita ko.
There's a truck
Okay,
over
yun.
here.
Mawawala din yan. Tunnel kayo?
Still at the garage. We have a sort of oh,
Oh, Rain.
I don't have ammo. Shoot! Dumbass!
Parang may nakikita akong pala doon.
Hindi, ano yan?
I can only reload pag ubos na yung bala ko. Fuck!
Meron nga. Ayun,
Saan
kita
tayo?
mo yun,
Saan
diba?
tayo? Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Saan tayo?
I think nandito sila Rain.
No.
Wala. Dito, alis tayo dito.
Just for the papang.
Balik tayo doon. Please, let's go.
Key.
How do you reload? R?
R.
Nasaan yung garage? What do you mean? Kung nasaan yung car?
Ayaw mag-reload sa akin.
Oh, can you pick this key up?
Ah! Ray! Putangin na!
Okay, nasa kanila. We're good. Okay. Okay. Wala tayong key.
Have a good reaction
Sa akin yung key.
time. Don't worry.
Ray, sa'yo nang naman itong amo.
Sure. No, meron
I
pa
don't
akong
think-
isang amo.
Dito. Nandun.
I don't think malatas yung sarili ko sa shotgun na napapalit
No,
ako.
you're good.
No,
I
don't
have
you?
another gun, another thing.
Someone is behind
Meron na
us.
kaming engine, tara na.
Alright. We're in a car. You have
Meron din ako
fuel.
key.
Who wanna drive?
Not me.
I'll do it.
Bukas pinto ko.
Out of fuel, sabi.
Nako.
Fuel.
May key tayo. Rain, alala mo yung isang hindi natin mabukas? Baka yun
Yeah.
yun. Yung
Yeah,
gate na hindi natin mabukas.
Wala ba tayong fuel dun sa garage area?
Wala.
Parang, okay.
Or reason to explore this.
See the... Okay.
Do you think there's flashlight ammo?
Rain! Putang na!
What?
Behind you.
Putang na!
Oh my god.
I can see!
Yeah, stay.
Alam mo,
Okay na.
got no more ammo.
Kanin niyo si Cheska.
Alam mo. Nice.
Behind you. Oh, look.
Mhm.
A house. I don't wanna live in the woods.
Yes, you do.
Knock.
Oh my God, safe tayo dito.
Bilog ako.
I'm sure.
Are you
Hindi mo sure?
sure?
Wait, may kitchen.
May basement.
Open door. But
Oh. Another fuel.
Ah!
Oh, ano yun? Shotgun ammo sa basement. Oh, sino nabubugbog?
ano yun? Ano yan? Si Cheska. Go get Cheska, please. Kainin niyo si Cheska. Hindi ako niya ba nakabukas yung pinto?
Oh no!
This is how the horror stories go.
Wait, it doesn't go now? That sucks.
Guys, saan kayo? Saan kayo?
Yun.
Tangina, saan kayo? Saan kayo? Saan kayo, please? Saan kayo? Saan kayo? Saan kayo? Saan kayo?
He died. Hindi na siya. Takpo.
Saan kayo?
Basta sa bahay lang to.
Oh!
Nahabol yung walang baril. Reset ka na lang. Nabalik ka sa bahay. Yes.
Wala na ako eh!
May baril si ano, Step. Shoot him.
Ay,
Did you miss? Okay, na lang dalawa.
saan yung pinto kasi?
Yung
Saka pa,
fuel, yung fuel nasa akin. Meron pang ano. May shotgun shell sa basement. Diretso ka. On the left. Oh, nag-heal naman pala eh. Unless you're dead. Okay. May baril dun sa paa nyo, oh. May isa pang baril. Oh.
naka-tablet magbabaril?
Yeah.
No.
Kita ko siya sa labas. Dapat nga talaga sinara natin yung pinto kanina. Uy, fuel! Nakalap ko yung fuel. Teska, we have to make a run for it.
May fuel.
Dalawa lang yung shot ko.
May fuel nga sa
Kailangan
Ako
natin
din.
tumakbo. Kailangan natin tumakbo.
Saan siya?
Nakita ko siya kanina dumaan eh. Tara, tak, ready? Ako din.
Stephanie.
I wonder
Yeah,
why
sabi niya.
the first one to die.
Tara na. Tara na. Ready na, takbo tayo.
Sa kotse?
Wala pa lang sense of direction. Oo, sa kotse.
Run! Run for your lives! I can see a thing! Wala akong makita! Wala akong makita!
Hindi.
Stephanie! Wala akong makita! Stephanie! Wala
Wala
akong
nang
makita!
Lumabas na saglit!
Wala akong makita! Wala akong makita! Ayoko na! Mag-believe na ako dito! Ay, buhay ka pa pala, Stephanie.
Tara na. Naupos na yung bala ko doon.
Kanan, kanan! Sa kotse, kanan!
Dito, wala na sa amin na.
Sa likod niya, sa likod niya.
What?
Ah!
Joke lang.
Wala.
Kalma.
Train!
Kalma, wala na sa likod.
Stephanie!
Pumasok na sa kotse, pumasok ka na sa kotse.
Ikaw mag-drive.
Close yung door.
Yan na. Bakit natuklap yung pintuan?
Wala mag-let go, ha?
Close mo yung lid. Yung lid.
Wrong.
Stephanie, kabila!
Close the lid.
The lid. The lid.
Okay, go right side. Right side.
The lid. There you go. Start the car.
Close your door. There
Oh my
you go.
God, saan tayo punta?
Yeah,
I don't know.
step on the right pedal. Right. Oh. I think tunnel, right?
Tunnel dyan sa dulo. Dulo dyan. Diretso.
Saan?
Diretso lang. On the right. Go
What do you mean diretso?
Right. Dyan. Diretso
Right.
dyan, oh.
That's
Go
right,
to the road.
yan.
Right.
Continue.
On the road. There you go.
Go straight to this tree. No.
No. Wait. Just keep going straight. Come on. Keep going. The tunnel.
Yep.
Yeah, keep
Can
going.
do it.
Can you?
Nice.
Yeah, you can.
Right, good. That's what she
Yeah.
said.
Tangay na!
Yep, you're good.
I don't think that's right.
Ah.
Hindi pa right? I mean, sa left ka dadaan dapat?
Baka.
Okay, go back. Beep, beep, beep.
Walang reverse.
Okay, ikot ka. Yun lang.
Yup.
Okay.
Nakastuck
3 point.
Nakastuck.
Oh,
Nakastuck.
I think
Nakastuck.
that's it.
Nakastuck.
I think you get out. Yeah, get out. You get out. Look around. Oh,
Gago,
oh,
di ko na pala binusan yung engine.
Bruh. Okay.
Oh,
Ikot ka na.
Stephanie.
Ikot ka.
Ikot ka na.
Ikot ka na lang.
Ikot ka na.
Tama ko sa... Wow. Oh, sige. Mas stuck ko pa. Hey.
Alright. Good. Yup.
Pag lumabas siya, wag magpapanik anak. May pintuan naman siya.
Yup.
Yan, wala akong pinto sa kabilang side ko, though.
Ah,
You're fine.
Left. 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 Left.
That's the
Balik,
house.
balik,
That's the house. That's
balik,
the house.
balik,
That's the
balik,
house.
balik.
You are bad with direction. The fuck? Continue. Something said over there. Don't
At
worry
parang
about
feel
it.
ko na kay Les yung tools. Kasi nakita ko sa katawan niya, di ko na makuha.
Yes. May repair tools sa
Utang
akin.
ina, Les.
What?
That's the garage.
Ay, find a tool. Nasa yun yung tool.
Oh. Okay. Balik kayo dun sa may...
Check.
Stephanie,
Kami ang
bakit
bad
hindi
news.
nagagawa ka lang? Wala nang fuel, Stephanie!
Wala nang fuel.
Ayoko na!
Out of fuel.
Ah,
Diyos ko.
Layo na dinating.
Diyos ko.
pinatakbo lang.
Stephanie!
Inubos lang yung gas. Pinaikot lang.
Re-inspectate ka nga sa akin kung nasa akin yung
I don't think I can spectate you.
Oh.
I can. You got fuel, and an
Stephanie!
arm and a leg. What?
Walang toolbox?
A fuel box.
Oh, nice. Baba na kayo, may
Cheska,
dalawang fuel ako.
this is the end.
No.
Oh,
Yeah,
there's a
di na
have a flashlight.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
takot
Flashlight
kami,
to...
okay? Takot kami.
Okay.
Yeah, so what? You're just gonna stand there, sit like a pussy?
Fine. Cheska, let's go. Ay, putang ina, matang ako.
Bakit?
Bakit? Bakit?
Sa'yo, hindi nyo daw mapulot. Oh,
Tapos, ano ngayon?
what's next?
Ang gagawin mo? Layo-layo mo. Ang gagawin mo dito? Walang fuel.
May fuel ako dun.
Cheska, gusto mo tumakbo? Cheska, gusto mo tumakbo? Ito yung choice. Takbo tayo.
Okay.
Come on,
Tara na. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go.
Nasa kaliwa.
Stephanie! Ah!
Asan ka?
Nauna na ako!
Punta niyo si Les dun sa, go left.
Sa may bahay.
Ah! Ah! Stephanie!
Anong go left? Asan ka?
Yeah,
Go left or
you go
right ka?
left. Steph, you go to the house. Nandun yung katawan, yung kalansay ni ni Les.
Hindi, nakuha ko na yung tools eh. Tara
Hindi,
na nga.
Yung fuel.
Ayaw
Yung
nga
fuel.
pala.
Dalawang fuel yun.
Stephanie! Bilisan mo, Stephanie, ah.
Dalawa yan. Oh. Iniwan yung shotgun.
Okay na. Balik sa sasakyan. Balik sa kotse. Balik sa kotse. Balik sa kotse. Balik sa kotse. Balik sa kotse.
O, tas i-ano mo muna, syempre. I-fuel mo muna yung kotse habang
Oo.
hinahabol ka.
Why? Wala.
Nasa-
Ano yung pula na yun? Ah, yung kotse.
Sige. Aha. Tap na sa likod mo.
Wala.
Uy, Stephanie!
Ito daw.
Yun nga eh.
Balik sa cave. Balik sa cave.
Doon sa may tunnel.
Oh.
May parang
tunnel pa.
pintuan doon.
Tama pala eh.
Pang safety lang talaga yung kotse.
O may papasabugin sila.
Yung kotse.
Ang kotse.
Sige.
Ooh.
Ah, shit.
Ikot mo, Stephanie. Reverse. Yeah. Reverse.
Yung tigan to.
You could also turn while going backwards, you know.
Mas komportable ako sa ganun.
Yeah, yung comfortable ka ba pag beep beep na rin kotse mo pag nasa ano ka? Drive ka? Sige, okay lang.
Kotse mo yan eh.
Oo,
Right.
busina ng ibang tao yan eh.
Buti guys doon na.
Labas.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Wala kayong crowbar.
Yeah, sabi, ito yung tools eh.
Aha, find the tools then. Aim mo sa mga knobs or something, try.
Ayaw.
Aha. The other side, other door. Look, other door.
Left side mo yan.
Go. First and
Alright.
restart.
You go back again.
No!
Go back. Find the crowbar. There somewhere.
Nasa bahay yun.
Huwag ka na mag-drive. Iwan mo na ako dito.
Parang mas mabilis
Okay
talaga
lang,
kung ano.
sumama ka sa akin, Jessica.
Kung mag-rejoin na lang tayo.
Yeah. Ka? Isa pa.
Parang mas bibilis eh.
Rejoin.
Ano tayo?
Tara.
Tayo, las. Yun na lang tayo.
Doon
Hindi,
sila.
restart tayo. Restart tayo.
Nga, rejoin na.
Rejoin na. Back to lobby kami.
Sige na, tara na. Leave na ako. Jessica, leave na.
Talagang after 3 AM tayo dito. Lala.
Oh my God.
Sabi ko, last game ko na yun eh.
Oh, last game na.
Wala antok ko dahil sa color red na mata na papalapit sa akin habang nasa kotse ako.
Sorry. Akala ko kasi like normal na horror game lang. Hindi ganito ka ano.
I mean, it's not really scary.
It's lang, Barbie.
Wow. Now we know.
I was just your normal room kind of thing.
Oh, Rain, may shotgun sa room ko. Ikaw na nga lang kumuha.
Epic. Who wants the Bible? You wanna read it while you're getting
Saan ba yun?
prayers?
Give. No.
Does it work?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Bakit ako na sa CR?
Epic.
Okay, open sesame.
Okay. Oh, wait. Let me open it. Oh, yeah, open it, please.
Let's go.
Goes clear. Is there any other thing in the room? No? Okay.
Wala. Hindi nakakuha ba ng flashlight?
Yeah.
Okay na.
Ako lang wala. Okay lang.
Oh yeah, you could zoom in. Right click.
Yeah.
Oh, is that
Zoom
you?
in.
No, you're not.
No.
Yung tayo dito sa kotse.
Did the same process again?
Yep.
Yep, see.
Alright.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Vámonos.
Everybody, let's go.
Oh, nandyan ka agad? Okay, sige lang.
Oh, where?
Nasa
Where?
kotse, nandun siya sa kotse. Nagkaalis tayo dun. Feisty. Nawala din ang tok.
Be over here. Oh, no, it's not. The key isn't here. Somewhere else.
Key, brass key.
Shotgun. Ano shotgun?
Oh, kanino gusto
I'm
yung key?
fine. I got more shotgun shells.
Aka na lang key.
Wala akong shells.
At, para hindi masagabal sa inventory, pwede mo na pilitin yung shotgun shell.
I saw something red. Nasaan na yun?
Where?
Nawala. Never mind.
Okay.
Imagine
Tara na. The faster we go, the better.
Wait lang. Nalabot yung mouse ko. I can't move.
Oh, that's bad.
Okay, we're good, we're good.
What do you mean?
Wala akong shotgun.
Oh, we
Nandun
were
sa
gonna get it
tent,
in the house. Ha? Nasa? Tent?
Hindi, yung
Hindi.
shotgun sa... Hindi,
Sorry,
shotgun sabi
sorry.
ni Les.
Oh,
Ammo, ammo,
shells.
ammo, ammo.
Ammo. Maybe sa house.
Yeah, sa house.
Unang key, anong pangalan?
Brass key.
Brass.
Brass key
Sa
is on the
warehouse.
warehouse. What is that?
Here.
Oh, it's on the right, it's on the right, it's on the right.
Oh,
Right,
ayun,
right,
ayun, ayun.
right. Kita. Waiting me. Thanks.
Nice.
Right. Here we go.
Fuse. Ilang fuse kailangan?
Dalawa lang.
I have one.
Got one. Yep, very good.
Aka na. Oh, sabi
May fuel
narinig
dito.
ako.
That's us walking. Ay, may Cheska. Pwede magtago dito.
Shotgun ammo.
Oh.
Shotgun ammo.
Thanks.
Fuse here. Fuse
Lagi ng
over
fuse sa
here.
likod.
Sa likod.
Kasama.
Oh, there we go. You want me lower?
Lasan
Kasama
kayo,
ako.
lasan kayo.
Sorry.
Diyan lang kayo sa loob. Iayos namin yung fuse.
Ah! Nakita kong red doon.
Pina.
Ako na. Very good.
Imagine I missed.
Imagine.
Pag may narinig kang 2 shots, Rain, may dalawang master. Yeah.
Dalawang monster.
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. Get the
Oh,
key.
it's in front of us. Or front door.
Really?
Yeah, pumunta sa
What?
right.
Oh.
Got him.
Oh, one shot, nice.
Ooh.
Chester, let's go.
We're good. Right, I have one ammo.
Nice.
Thank God for my girl Domino.
Next
yung
naman,
panin
next
ko.
area.
Yeah, we have fuel though. You wanna use the car?
Sure.
Fuel ka na agad?
Let's go. Oh, may fuel si
No,
Cheska.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Wait for me!
Yeah.
Dito yung driver, sorry.
Ano? I'm gonna... What? Why me?
Ayoko mag-drive.
You want me?
Okay. I don't have a
Ano yun?
license for a car.
My license.
Binalik mo yung cap?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
What? Why? What do you do?
Okay. Sisira niyo yung car pag nandun tayo sa loob.
Oh.
Wait.
That's why the door
Kaya
was
pala may
broken.
repair kit.
Get it. Again?
Oh,
What?
That's crazy.
crazy. Amen. Why you broken down my door?
The heck?
Okay.
Just press na.
Five.
And remember to close the door.
Yeah.
Nasa right. Oh, hindi.
What?
Yung nagtago sa likod ng tree.
Jesus Christ.
Pasok. Les, pasok.
Ay,
Okay.
Oh, watch out there.
what's over there?
Flashlight dito.
This one.
Oh, sorry, napindot. Ah,
What? Oh my god.
stupid.
Ayun siya, ayun siya sa bintana mo.
Ano mo? Can he break down the door? He can't.
I'm hurt.
Oh. down.
Everybody.
Akyat ka, akyat.
Yeah, but
Nadaya, ba't pinabuksan yung pinto?
dinner ko na siya, he said. You got any shotgun shells? Tago ka muna closet? I mean, pala, I'm hurt.
Check the basement if meron.
Yeah, meron basement.
Sabihin niyo kung nalabas na.
Repair kit here, got it.
Oh, shotgun. Shell. Less.
Yes, I need.
I'm near the bottom of the stairs.
Here.
Yep, here. Have you searched there?
Yes. I'm reloading!
Oh, oh, oh.
God dang it.
Did you miss?
No, I didn't. I was reloading.
Okay.
Kana labas na tayo.
I'm hurt. I'm so hurt.
Ha?
Yeah, yeah.
I think I saw red
Let's wait.
on the front.
Les, umaiwan!
No, nandito ka sa nasa bahay pa ako.
Sinusundan ko! Gago!
Yung tao!
Uy!
Bruh!
Bruh.
Uy! Stephanie!
What
Ay, din, tang ina,
Gago.
lock door pala ito, oh.
Oh.
Ayun, may isa pa doon sa likod.
Damn. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay na. Oh,
Stressful. Hey, man.
oh, ayun.
Ah, ha, 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 ha. Oh, it's breaking.
Oh. Oh my god.
Punch me. Oh, we have to go.
Right.
Let's go.
Ah!
Oh. Is the engine okay?
No, it's not.
Oh, sinira. Yung repair kit.
Engine is too damaged. No, that's what I'm doing. Oh, okay.
We can just push it.
No. Give me time. Nah, I'm the mechanic. Oh,
The mechanic.
Kani?
It's halfway. Halfway.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I think kailangan mo labas para maano yung pa-protect si Les. Kala mo ba din?
dapat pala yung walang barrel yung gumagawa nito.
Eh,
Mm.
wait, lahat na yung crowbar.
So,
Mm. No, I don't
Yun
think.
lang.
repair successful. We can
Nice.
go. Okay.
Going straight.
May fuel pa ba kayo?
Find a
Well,
tool to remove
that's
the
fine.
barricade. What tool?
I know how to remove the barricade.
I know what tool.
Can you toolbox first?
Oh yeah. No.
Hold on. Step out of the way.
Ah.
No. What the heck? Okay, we need to find it somehow, somewhere.
Imagine
What
you
if
did-
na, no? Tinulo natin yung house kanina.
You know?
Di ba forest area na yung house? What if meron pa doon?
It's a house?
Hmm.
Did we go in the car?
Or lakarin lang natin.
What do you think?
Mas mabilis na par?
We even turn here? I don't think so.
Don't get it stuck.
It's gonna be fine.
Oh,
something up there. I don't have a gun.
Gun. What? I shot it. I swear I shot it.
Well, we run.
Rin?
Oh,
Ciao, guys.
Yep.
Ciao,
Goodbye.
They're chasing us.
Yep, that's true. I don't have shotgun ammo.
Dang. Might as well search the house.
That's true.
Wait, nasa ano ako?
Out of fuel. Cheska, out of fuel. You need to run.
Sa akin yung view.
oh no.
This is my last. Take all of my strength. My last Hamon.
Man.
Cheska, we need to run.
You guys get tired, man? I am. Wow. Bang, 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 bang.
I don't think that's how you use the gun.
Please. Please, sir. I have to go home.
Hinahabol pa ba kayo?
Sir.
Oh, there's a lake. No. We didn't check the lake.
There's a
Ah,
Stephanie, stay here.
hinahabol pa ba kayo?
We're dead.
Nope.
One down.
We wasted all of it. That's for sure.
Hey, it's you guys again. Come on, teamwork. Woo. May ammo.
Wait!
May yung
Huh?
fuel box na sa akin. Tapos meron pa akong isang fuel.
Laki
If my
pareho.
crowbar.
Yeah.
Cheska, we need to go out.
Check nyo lang. Then next time na lang ulit. Check nyo yung lake, please.
Sige na nga, tara na. Okay lang mamatay. Okay lang mamatay, Cheska. It's okay to die.
Ah!
Pag mamatay na, close your eyes.
Saan yung way pa, Lake?
Dire-diretso.
Di ba, oo nga, nasan yung lake?
Use use our bodies as
With you.
as no. Right. Use your bodies as checkpoints.
I'm over there.
Yeah. And then go left.
Ayun, dead na.
Diretso lang.
Check
no.
the lake.
Go left.
Buckets. It's all buckets. What the fuck?
Yay,
It's just
buckets.
buckets.
Pamamatay
Tama
na
lang, Lake.
ako!
Gusto mo di mamatay, biglang leave.
Wait, i-check pa ako. May area pa dito.
Oh, big
Still
area.
alive. Dapat dito tayo nag-car.
Oh.
Keep going.
Oh.
Oh, I'm dead.
Okay.
Oh, tatlo flashlight.
I'm ready to die.
Oo.
Tangina.
Ano, dapat dito
Right.
mag-car. See.
Uy, may tower dun, oh.
No.
Wow.
And may building.
Wow. Rocket. Nice.
Shotgun ammo. Wala nang silbihan sa akin.
Hindi, may shotgun dyan somewhere.
Set.
Mic check. This is radio 2519.
2645.
615.
Damn, see with codes.
What's that? Oh, fuel.
Oh.
Shotgun ammo.
Ganun. Broom.
Oh, you can use that.
Poke the thing.
Ang ganda. Nice. The thing.
Wala.
Pick up flashlight. Parang laki naman flashlight natin. Never mind.
Wala.
Nope. One last room.
Oh, a lot of shelves there.
Damn.
And wala.
May mga shelves dyan sa back counter. There you go.
Flashlight.
A lot of flashlights.
Ammo. Alright, it's a sign. Dapat pala nandito tayo. And may something pa.
Check my other side. Check my other side. Na, yung ano na. Yung outside.
Ano daw? Natapos na. Okay, wait, what do I have to do? Wait lang.
Check outside. For more air.
Kaya din ako.
The tower, maybe?
Lalabas na. Oh, di pa dito. Yes. Alang locks.
Feeling ko ayun yung crowbar.
Repair kit.
Wow.
All that's for nothing.
May isa pang area on the left side. Na road. Ang tahimik niya. Nirarush tayo kanina, what the heck? Daming beses nagpakita.
Yo. Yan, tinamaan ko siya mismo kanina eh. Nag-hit mark. Tinamaan ko siya. Tapos di siya nawala.
Wow.
Unless ito yung tinamaan ko. That's not possible. I think.
Car. I knew it. Less. Ay, wait. Mas iba yun din. Yun pala.
Why did you say anything then?
Lesson learned.
Gusto mo ikaw mag-drive? Okay. Okay lang naman.
Hindi, ayoko rin.
Hindi, go lang.
I'm sorry. Ikaw na lang mag-guide.
Ako na, nasa likod mo na eh.
Tangina mo.
Mahihi ka na eh.
Ayun siya, kita ko.
Takbo na.
Takbo sa kanya.
More areas!
More areas. Nakatago sa sa gate yung
Tower.
majority ng area.
Yeah,
Dahil.
what the heck?
Expect mo residential area lang.
Ay,
Hey.
a
I'm
red
dead.
eye. Nah, you're fine. Di siya marunong kumakyat.
Tama. Oh, this is a tower watch.
Yeah. Oh,
May
marunong.
lock.
I'm dead.
Ah,
Ayun yung,
marunong
may
siya
ano.
umakyat separately.
Ayun yung yung axe, hello.
Try mo nga yung axe. Gamitin mo sa kanya.
Nakala, kakalimutan ko yung code.
Wait, what happened?
2468.
Oh, I'm alive.
There. Oh,
There you go.
Oh, you're dead.
Nawakan ka muna.
Okay, ayun yung axe na tayo. Ayun yung axe lang. Hindi ko pa nabasa yung note.
It's like 3-0.
Alam, parang 2468. Ay, hindi, 2486. 2468, what? Was that 24?
Amazing.
2468, oh my god.
wait, gusto niyo pa?
Save na ako. No, save na ako.
Di ko na
Yeah,
kaya.
yung maayos. Last
Tulog
one.
na ako.
Di ko na kaya.
Di.
Ano oras na ba?
Two.
Oh, 2:15. May klase pa ako. Never mind.
Kita mo, ikaw
Eh,
din.
dapat 3 a.m. laruin
Tama.
after.
Okay. Bukas na lang.
Jesus.
Ang galing na, no? Ano, sasabihin.